Hey everyone, I'm Samit, and in this series, we'll be talking about building and customizing frictionless checkout experiences for our merchant partners. We'll be talking about Zepto, the super fast 10-minute delivery app, and how we make payments just and easy and fast for them. I'll be taking you through our team's journey to make Zepto's payment experience much better. To start with, here's how Zepto's payment page looked like a year ago. We started with a detailed review of the customer checkout experience, Zepto's brand design, and user behavior nuances in detail. This was an end-to-end exercise with a focus on bringing the brand and the checkout experience close to each other. We then proceeded with revamping the UI UX elements, building out a refreshed and seamless checkout experience. We will go through the issues we identified one by one and also look at the solutions. The first one, layout. First and foremost, we evaluated the layout and realized that a full width layout would be best suited for them. They had a boxed layout initially and it was not exactly blending with their experience. A full width layout also gives us more space to display the payment instruments and other details such as offer messages, outage messages and surcharge messages along with the CTA. We changed the layout in Zepto to a full width one and also moved the section header inside the container because that is what we found was Zepto's brand. Number 2 is alignments. So once we changed the layout, we noticed that the alignments of various elements, be it the offer text or the outage text, the icons or the buttons, all had to be changed to match the full width layout. These changes were done for Zepto and now it's available in the template itself. Once you select a template for your brand, you won't have to do any of the alignment changes that we had to do for Zepto once over again because those will already be there. The next is branding. The primary and secondary buttons, CVV input box were all stretched to match the layout and make them more visible. All icons were also updated with an entirely new style where we gave a spherical boxed border for all the icons to make it uniform across. We also changed the background color of the payment page to blend to that of Zepto's other pages. And also we changed the font properties to make it more readable and blend with their app design. The next one is offers. Offers is one of the biggest drivers for selecting any payment option and for Zepto it was no different. The previous offers used to have an offer icon along with an accompanying text which it made it difficult to read the offer text. We made the offer text simpler by removing the icons and restricting the number of characters for better readability. The fifth point is quick pay. For super quick payments, we designed a quick pay feature for Zepto too. This saves the details of the last used payment instrument and enables the user to use the same payment option for a super fast one-click checkout experience. So these are just a few of the changes we did on Zepto to make it look like their own payment page. We spent so much time building out the perfect experience for our customers. The checkout is the moment of truth where all your efforts translate into revenue, and it is essential that the checkout feels like home for your customers. And all these changes that I just walked you through, they are now a part of Juspay Studio, our no-code checkout builder, which comes packed with everything you need to build and customize your checkout page according to your brand and without writing a single line of code. Thank you for watching and stay tuned as we walk you through the checkout experience of India's favorite brands.